Today I'm going to show you guys how to make mayonnaise from scratch. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys to all the returning subscribers, and to the new subscribers. I see you guys out there and I love to see it, and I'm thankful and grateful that you're here. Woo! My name is Keem and I love to cook. And if you love cooking instruction videos, this channel is for you. I've got other lifestyle videos too. Check out the description box and I'll link the cooking playlist for you so you can see all my other videos on how to make this and how to make that. It's easier than you think. Don't be intimidated in the kitchen anymore. I'm here to help you with that. I'm here to make cooking easy, delicious, yummy. So let's get into this recipe today. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Better than your own mayonnaise. Like, I'm gonna taste it. It's so delicious. So delicious. Wow. Got a little bit on my mouth there. This is so good. Okay, now we're gonna make tuna salad. product. I'm tasting this. Oh my God. This, I'm telling you, I made some toast, Ezekiel toast. I don't know if you guys have ever tried Ezekiel bread, but it's really good for you. And it's delicious. Whole grain sprouted bread. My tuna fish on top. Now listen. So good. Alright. After you mix the mayonnaise with the tuna fish and the scallions, that's the way I like it. You can add whatever you want to your tuna fish. I like it simple. After you add the mayonnaise, you season it to taste with salt and pepper, okay? Or you can leave it plain. I use a butcher cracked black pepper and sea salt. And I mix it in. Sometimes I put a little lime juice on top. But when I tell you, this is everything. You guys gotta try it. Tell me what you think. You guys, thank you for being here today. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for taking time out of your schedule to watch this video. I hope it helped you. And also, be blessed and make sure you fill your days with blessings and yummy dishes. Mwah. I'll see you guys in the next video.